Hello everyone, here's a question. Given this condition, we want to solve for a squared plus b squared. How to solve this question? First, we are going to move all the terms from the right to the left. So first, copy these two terms. Just copy a to the fourth plus b to the fourth. Then both sides minus a squared. Both sides plus 2a squared b squared. Then both sides minus b squared, then minus 6 equal 0. Because here we have a 2a squared b squared, so we're going to rewrite a to the fourth as a squared then square, because 2 times 2 is a 4. Do the same thing for b to the fourth. So here we have b squared then square. Then copy this term, 2a squared b squared. Then copy the rest of the terms. Then minus a squared minus b squared minus 6 equals 0. So then look at these three terms. So these three terms actually form a complete square. That's just a squared plus b squared then square. Because here we have a squared plus b squared, so we are going to combine these two together. Simply take a negative sign outside. So here minus a squared plus b squared then minus 6 equal 0. So here we have a quadratic equation in a squared plus b squared. So probably it will look simpler if we set a new variable x. So if we let x equal a squared plus b squared. Okay, so then let this part equal x. Okay, so then just this part equal x. So that's that x equal a squared plus b squared. So then this one will be x squared. Then here we have x squared minus x minus 6 equal 0. So then this is quadratic equation in x. So here we just use a factoring equal 0. Because this one 6, so then 2 times 3, that's 6. This is minus, this is minus, so here minus, here plus. Because the product of two factors equals 0, so that means two possibilities. The first factor equals 0 or the second factor equals 0. So let's consider the first case. The first factor equals 0. So x plus 2 equals 0. So equivalent x equal negative 2. Then what is x? X equal a squared plus b squared. So that's why let's a squared plus b squared to replace x. So this one means equivalent to a squared plus b squared equal negative 2. But that's impossible. Why? Because a squared plus b squared always bigger than or equal to 0. Okay, so now let's consider the second case. The second factor equals 0. Okay, so second factor equals 0. That's just x minus 3 equal 0. Just equivalent to x equal 3. So then what is x? X just equal a squared plus b squared. So that's why a squared plus b squared equal 3. So 3 is the answer for this question. Thanks for watching. See you next time.